Hey guys, this is Nikhil. In this video, we'll see how to perform speed test using Python. How people generally test their Wi-Fi speed. Opening browser, typing speed test and waiting for the results. As a Python programmer, we need to do it in a different way. Let us see how. A terminal and type pip3 install speedtest-cli. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now let's try the speed test -cli. That's it. It's retrieving speedtest.net configuration, testing download speed. As you can see, ping is 9.012 ms. The download speed is 31.64 megabytes. It is also testing upload speed and it is 14.65. It's in graphical format. Just type speedtest-cli space hyphen share. That's it. It again tests download speed and upload speed. And at the end we will be getting a link like this. You can copy it and open it in your browser. Then you can see the results. The same download speed and upload speed, but the time which we will be getting in the graphical image won't be correct. If you want to display a list of speedtest.net servers which are sorted by distance, then simply type speedtest-cli space hyphen list. That's it. As you can see, n number of servers has been listed. In my case, ActFiberNet is the nearest server, but in your case it may change. We can also display our results in JSON format. To do that, just type speedtest-cli space hyphen JSON. It takes at least 10 seconds to get the results. This is the download speed, this is the upload speed, and you don't need to worry because the upload and download speed is in bits per second, not megabytes. And if you want to get the results in CSV format, just type speedtest space hyphen CSV. It also takes at least 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. And this thing also displays in bytes per second, not bits per second, but not megabytes per second. You can see this is ping, this is download speed, and this is upload speed. So that's it for the video, guys.
I'm in love with the cocoa.